Okay, so Geronimo, we're going to continue to work on goal 1 and 2. So on Thursdays, it's goal 1 and 2, and then on Fridays, it's goal 3. So right here, goal 1, it says we're going to increase vocabulary comprehension by identifying the function of 7 common objects. So you remember what the remote is for. So what is the remote for? Is the remote for a TV to change the channel, or the remote is to use while you sit at the table? Correct. You use the remote to change the TV channel, like I am right now, to mute the TV. The chair. The chair, is it to sit or is it to sleep? Awesome. So the chair is to sit. Then you have a hat. Let me go ahead and pull up the picture so you can see. So then you have a hat. So what is the hat for? Is the hat for your head, or is it for... So what is the hat for? What is it for your head, or is it for your teeth? Awesome. Great job. So then you also have a book. What is the book for? Is it to read or is it to rip? It's to read. Great job. Shampoo. Shampoo is for your head. Pencil is to write, and toothbrush is to brush your teeth. Toothpaste you put on your toothbrush. So let's go ahead and look at our worksheet. I went ahead and shuffled them around so it is not the same. There's one that I saw, I feel like I didn't put the options. So for number 5, I know I didn't put the options, but if you can just have him identify what the hat is for. Is it for the head, or is it for your foot? And then have him write in the answer. Everything else looks good. So we'll be doing that for goal number 1. And this is something we're going to be reviewing every day. And what I want him to do is write it on a piece of paper, what he thinks it's for. For goal number 2, he is going to be sorting pictures. So the same thing as last time. So we had wheels and clothing. So he's going to circle all the objects that have wheels. So we have bikes, trucks, bus, trailers, and cars. So all of those have wheels. All of those make a car move, or things that can move, such as a bike or a bus. Then you have clothing. I want him to identify everything that has clothing. You have shoes, you have socks, sweatshirt, t-shirt, pants, and shorts. So ask him, Geronimo, which one is part of your clothes? What is it that you wear? What do you wear? Do you wear a shirt or do you wear a dog? Once you complete this assignment, if you can send a picture, and I'll submit it for a grade. So we'll be doing goal 1 and 2 on Thursdays, and then goal 3 on Fridays. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.